Hi there, and welcome back to the workshop. A little bit earlier today, the channel hit 1,000 subscribers.
I had to ask the guy next to me to pinch me.
A few months ago, when we rescued Celia, I pulled my phone out of my pocket on a whim and filmed it. There it goes. Back on the road. Since then, we've been on a dizzying adventure, even if it was hard work at times. Not to mention our adventures at the BSCC hill climb, where we caught sight of the only Lagonda racing and grabbed an interview with her driver. And that's just the start. We've got lots more fun stuff to come, including an interview with magneto specialist Adam and a deep dive into the mysterious and magical world of the magneto. Find replacements for the missing parts of the Bendix drive, and Paul refurbishes the carburettor. But by far the most important thing that we wanted to say is a huge thank you to everyone who has liked, subbed and watched the videos. We could not be more grateful.
Here we go then. Ready? Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3.